Hey, you guys. You can't see me, but it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Woo! We've got a double unboxing for you today. We've got the BOXYCHARM / Tarte box. This was the October BOXYCHARM premium box, which was a total Tarte takeover, which I was kind of excited about because if you have watched me for a little while, you know that I am a Tarte fan. I actually buy from their website a lot, and it just so happens that before I got this box because they had a 40% off sale. And, you know, I just had to get, I think there's two things in here. Now, you see these are open, but I did not actually open them. This is strictly for the ease of the video. So we are going to unbox these babies and see what is inside. Well, you guys are going to see what's inside. I pretty much know what is inside already. So let's start with the actual Tarte box. Ooh, love Tarte boxes. They are always purple. Very, very cute little, you know. We got some tissue paper. All right, so I ordered 2 items from the website on the 40% off sale. The first thing is this Tarte C Foundation. This is actually the trial size. It was maybe $12 on their website, and then it was 40% off. Plus, guys, I got $3 back on this on Honey. So I paid almost nothing for this. I wanted to try it out because it is a serum foundation, and I really do like some of Tarte's foundations. And right now I'm using the C concealer. So I just wanted to give this a shot. So I thought for $12 plus the $3 back from Honey plus the 40% off, this was a no-brainer in my opinion. And then they had a sample of this glow thing. I'm probably not going to use this, but you know, nice to see it in the box. I don't know why, but I had to pick up these brushes. These brushes were on clearance for $15, and then they were 40% off. So literally paid like nothing for them. I thought they were super, super cute. I actually really do like Tarte brushes. I have a couple of them already, but let's undo these guys and just see what they look like. It's not like I needed any more brushes or actually like what I'm going to use these for, but these are the Sugar Rush brand from Tarte. God, these are so cute. They're like a rose gold with a star on the end. Let's see here. This one is a multi-use face brush. It's a plush large face brush for foundation, powder, or bronzer. It's a little stiff. I don't know if I'll use it for powder, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it. And then this one, gosh, these are so pretty. This one is a dome cheek brush, tapered cheek brush for cream products, which is great because once we open that other little BOXYCHARM box, there is something that I can use this for. The last one, God, I'm doing a terrible job at this. This one is a tapered eyeshadow brush, dense shadow brush with short tapered bristles. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So how cute are these? And so really, I think the total for this, because they were doing free shipping on top of 40% off, was like, I don't know, $18 or something. I can't even remember. It was something so stupid cheap that I was like, buy. Press the buy button. Plus, I got the $3 off from Honey. Listen, I'm going to link the Honey code below. Guys, sign up for that shit if you are buying makeup off of the internet, especially on a computer. It really only works on a computer, but use that code and get some of that cash back. I think I have like almost $40 in my Honey bank right now that I will use during the Sephora sale. So go ahead and do that. That is a tip from your bunny. All right, moving right along to this BOXYCHARM Premium Tarte Takeover box. Luckily, this did arrive on pretty good time. I know you guys are going to see this a little bit later, but it did arrive at least in mid-October, so definitely better than last month's. I will say I have looked at all the spoilers for these, and I mean, like, I love Tarte products, don't get me wrong. I do feel like they could have pushed the items in here a little bit more, but hey, always happy to have them. I prepaid, so let's open this bitch up. Woo, so pretty with the purple as always. So Tarte High Performance Naturals. We're going to read this shit while we get into it. All right, so this is pretty much almost all of it. Let's just start with the first thing. This is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Cream. I guess it's cute, like matte packaging. I was actually very excited to get this because I do need another face cream because it's getting colder and drier, and I noticed that when I'm washing my face I need to put on an extra heavy moisturizer. I almost bought a face cream from the BOXYCHARM drop shop, but then I was like, oh, I'm probably going to be getting that Drink of H2O. So here she is. Very pretty packaging. This retails for $39. Wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer powered by electrolytes. It deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based formula. That's exactly what I want to hear. Lightweight and non-greasy. Oh, look how cute that is. That is just adorable. Oh, I can't wait to slap that shit on my face. So thanks, Tarte and Boxy. I will definitely be using this one. I really like this box. I wish all products were in this like nice matte smooth box. Moving right along. So this was one of my choices, and let's be honest, I chose this because there was not very much to choose from. I actually already have one of these. This is the Tarte Maruka Juicy Lip. It's kind of like a balm slash gloss. It is tinted. I did get it in the shade Rose. I actually already have one of these in the shade Raspberry that I got when I ordered a full face kit from Tarte. I do not reach for it very often, hardly at all, actually. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be doing a huge makeup giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, please subscribe because it really does help me out, and I am going to be sticking this into that giveaway. But still, you know, somebody might really like it. It definitely is moisturizing. I'm just, you know, it's just not for me. I guess I'll go ahead and read the copy in case anyone is interested. This retails for $21. Get that cushiony pout you've always dreamt of with this all-in-one vegan balm, gloss, color, and treatment. Features 10 antioxidant-rich fruits to smooth and nourish, and cushion comfort complex to instantly plump and smooth the appearance of pesky lip lines. There you go, guys. Merry Christmas. I should actually say Happy Halloween. If you haven't noticed, I'm wearing my Killstar fishnet gloves that my husband got me in my Christmas stocking last year. So definitely giving those a little bit of a debut. I kind of like them. Wish I could wear them to work. The next item is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. Now, kind of excited to get this. I used to use this religiously. This was the only type of mascara that I would buy and use. But I did find their Man-Eater mascara, and now that's kind of what I use. And even that, I have moved on to a tubing mascara that doesn't kind of leave remnants above my eyelid. But I will definitely use this on days that I am not having to wear a face for a very long time. It is a great mascara. I really, really do like the packaging. It's like a leather crocodile packaging. Let's go ahead and read the copy. This retails for $24. The best-selling mascara is a push-up bra for your lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, and curls for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Nah, I don't know about those last two claims, but it does lengthen and volumize. And that is why I did use it for so long. This is actually a really nice mascara. I'm glad to have a full size back in my collection. So I will take it. This next item I am unfamiliar with, but I see that it's a liquid liner, which I'm excited about because I go through liquid liner like nothing. Let's read what the hell this thing is. Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. This retails for $25. Infused with mineral pigments and clay for all day wear, the rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal natural gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combine to create bigger, brighter, more defined eyes. The micro felt tip liner hugs the curves and lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping, while the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens eyes to fake a full night's sleep. That is a very interesting concept. I just don't know how that would actually work. Okay. So you line your eyes with this like nude color. Comment below. Tell me how to use this fucking thing because I want to know. I'm intrigued and I want to try it, but I want to do it right. So comment below on how I'm supposed to use this and like learn me a thing or two. This was the other choice option. Not very many choices this go around. This is that really nice material though, so kind of happy about that. This is the Tarte C Breezy Cream Blush. Let's see what it says here. Retails for $24. Get that just pinched color in your cheeks with this weightless waterproof cream brush. I cannot say cream. Jesus Christ. Just tap the silky formula on your fingertips for a natural color that doesn't fade. Help you achieve a fresh and useful appearance by minimizing the look of pores and fine lines while smoothing and hydrating the skin with slip grip technology, plants, marine, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I don't know about this. Let's see, I got it in the shade Peach Sunset. I really it's not like the first thing I would pick because I don't really use cream products too much. I'm kind of like oily and I don't know. But I am going to give it a shot. It's a very pretty color. My dog's fighting in the background. Oh, let's see here. Oh, it's creamy for sure. And then what do? Just, okay. I mean, I can dig it. I'm gonna open up my eyes here to something new, and I am going to give this a shot. So that is pretty cool. I am definitely excited to try that out as my dogs kill each other in the background. The very last thing that's in here, and I have seen this all over YouTube and Instagram. Everybody was like so excited to get a Tarte palette. Again, I feel like they could have pushed this a little bit more. I don't know if this is something that they were just wanting to get off the shelves, but this is the Tarte Sunrise palette. I don't hate it because, ooh, there is a mirror. I don't hate it because it is a very neutral palette and I'm very into that. And it has a couple mattes, which I'm very into as well. So, I mean, it is really, really pretty. I will probably definitely use it because it is a bunch of neutrals. I just feel like they come out with the same palette like all of the time. And this one, the packaging isn't even really that special. But let's go ahead and read about it. This retails for $30. Create looks that go from sunrise to sunset with this versatile 9-pan palette of warm matte and shimmer finishes infused with Amazonian clay. These shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood. It's a Boxy exclusive, so okay, maybe you can't get this anywhere, but I mean, like, who is paying $30 for this? Like, comment below if you're paying $30 for this. I considered paying $52 for that Man-Eater palette just because it was kind of like a break from everything that Tarte was doing, but I never did. So this is, I'm happy to have it in my collection. Definitely good for travel because it's a bunch of neutrals and it's a small palette. So, I can't hate on it. I just wish they would have maybe pushed it a little bit more. I mean, they gave us pretty much their classic products, the mascara, the juicy lip. I mean, I don't really know how I feel about it. It's cool, but I really do feel like this was a chance to be creative, especially with it being October. Maybe could have done something a little bit more, dare I say, spooky. But, let's round up and see what we got here. So we did get the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $30. We got the Maruka Juicy Lip Balm, which retails for $21. We got the Tarte C Cream Blush, which retails for $24. We got the Double Take Liquid Liner and Brightener, which I'm still curious about, but that retails for $25. We got the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, which retails for $39. And we got the Lights Camera Action Mascara, which retails for $24, which brings us to a grand total of $163. Look, I can't be mad at $163 worth of Tarte that I paid $35 for. However, like you saw earlier in the video, Tarte has amazing sales on their site. I'm pretty sure I could have gotten most of this for way less than what they're advertising on this card. But, I have it all now. I will put it in my vanity and we'll just go ahead and say, well, except for this. You guys are going to get this in the next giveaway. I'm glad to put this out and try all of these things. And hopefully I'll end up liking some of them. I mean, I know I already like this, but, these are nice. And also on the card, if you want 15% off and free shipping, you can use the code BOXY15 at tartecosmetics.com. I would suggest go to tartecosmetics.com, use the Honey app, put in that coupon, and you'll get some shit for like really, really cheap. So I also want to say stay tuned. I do have a BOXYCHARM drop shop video coming up. I just ordered about $45 on their 70% off drop shop thing. Be on the lookout for that. I did get a couple items to also put in the giveaway, so make sure you click that. I think it's like a bell or something, so you can get notified when I post. Sorry to be annoying, but gotta do my job. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment on all the shit I asked you to comment about, that would be even awesomer. And if you could subscribe to follow all of my shopping antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.